Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find all automations installed and used in your Slack workspace really quickly. For example, if you'd like to use them as templates, for example, or to speed up your workflow here in your Slack team. So let us get started right away. Head over to Slack and log into your account and select your workspace in the top left corner. And to see the associated automations installed for your Slack account, simply click on More here in the top left or in the left side. And here from that menu to the right, simply select Automations, create and find workflows and apps. So click on it, and here we'll see all featured templates as well as all templates you may integrate or install for your Slack workspace. However, guys, bear in mind that to gain access to these workflow templates to speed up your workflow or enhance work processes, you will need to upgrade your account here on Slack to a paid plan according to this information here. Start using workflow templates by upgrading to a paid plan. So that's guys, that's how it works. Here you can find all these workflow automations. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.